My name is Ashley Adams. I am the PR and business coordinator for the tour.
My name is Stacy Tinsley, and I'm the vendor coordinator for the Detroit Natural Hair Tour.
My name is Eonica Smith. I am the founder of the Detroit Natural Hair Expo and Naturals United.
My name is Jasmine Covington, and I'm actually the event coordinator for the expo.
I am working one-on-one with all of our vendors. I am scouting out people that I think would be a great fit.
We're expecting about 600 to 700 people.
I basically put everything together as far as people who are performing, when people are going on, what time, the itinerary, things of that nature.
Eonica Smith, we both went to college together. We've been great friends, and I was a volunteer last year.
I got connected through Jasmine, and you'll talk to her later. She's our event coordinator. She was actually really close to Eonica.
I've known Eonica, the creator, CEO. I've known her since I was 18 years old. She was actually my college roommate. So once she started the event, I was like, awesome.
And I thought the environment was just amazing. And immediately the next day after, I told her, I said, listen, what can we do to collaborate together?
The expo is great for first-time business owners who want to get their business out there, who want to learn more about business.
We're going to have a lot of variety, and it's not just going to be geared towards hair, it's going to be geared towards business as well, because we have a lot of people who are going to teach, how to start your own business. We have a pitch contest where Eonica's going to be doing a $500 prize for a winner, so if you have a good business idea, you can do that.
I'm just super excited. We definitely have a lot of things coming up, a lot of things on the board. So yeah, definitely got to stay tuned.
And we're looking to get a larger space for Detroit at Kobo, because we have a waiting list of like 50 vendors.
I want people to know that we are working very hard to provide a different experience.
It's a natural hair expo, but it's all about being yourself and being naturally beautiful. It's, all those things. And I think a lot of people think, oh, just natural hair, but it's not just that. It's so many things. It's empowering yourself. It's empowering women in the city, different cities. And yeah, I just want people to know that.